Guys, happy Thursday night. Guys, welcome to our review again. Guys, you better believe this. Santa sent his rangers again. Kailan ako nag-wish? Dumating agad. Look, cross arms. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Major Mark, Lieutenant Edwin, Gwen, Major Rinaldo Samson, how are you? Paramdam ka naman. Papi Poch, hello. Guys, look, Raven, High Kappa series, 4.3. Santa, pasalamat muna tayo. Santa, thank you Santa Conrad. Outdoorzone.ie, you open the website. Guys, the best. It's open. Oh shit, sorry, excited kayo eh. I'm very excited. Oh, let's open. You know, cross arms. Mabait ka talaga at sharing ka. Santa is very good. You know. Guys, with the match. And wow, beautiful. You know. Guys, pwede ito si Otto, guys. This one is also compatible. Yun English yun ha. With CO2. Yan o, CO2 nozzle. Gas nozzle. Dami. May mga, there's more, what you call this? Rubber for the whatever, you know. It's all there. Guys, the magazine. Metal, you know, double stack. Yes, and then the pistol itself, you know, English yan, huh? The best. High Kappa. The best. Yun. Guys, this is the safety of the. This is the safety. If it is up, you cannot fire. You know, ang magkabilaan yan, left and right. So if it's up, it will not fire. So down, then you can fire. Yun. Also, if you will not press this, if that, it will not fire. Yon. So,
mix and match kitchen doors.
So importante. This is important. You press this one, because it will not fire. So you need to press this, and then you can fire. Yon. Tunog pa lang. First time you see the tunog, you know. Guys, this is a 4.3 High Kappa Raven. There you go. 4.3 Raven from outdoorzone.ie. Outdoorzone.ie. Open the website. Santa, thank you. Santa Conrad. Ang bait talaga ni Santa Conrad. You know. The best. Look at the sight. Sight is optic, you know, green. And the best is, you know, threaded barrel. See? Threaded outer barrel. But the outer barrel is a little bit big. So if you put the X-Cortec tracer it will not fit. It means it's a little bit different, you know. It's a little bit big. So you have the X-Cortec, then it's not possible. You know, negative siya. No. But you know what? Santa from the north is good. You know. This is a very important thing. Small but very important. So this is the adapter for all Robin or for all what you call this? Yeah, Robin. You need to have like this. Mapag-lock man or high kappa, you need to have an adapter so that you can put the tracer. Yeah, okay, so you can put the tracer, you know. Wait, baliktad. There you go. There you go. Oops, shit. Wait. Virgin pa tayo nito eh. This one. Oop, what the heck? Hurry up. Because the video is about to close. You know, ang wala. This one. Yon, the best. So guys, when you buy the Raven, either Black series or High Kappa series, you need to get the adapter. You know, this one. It's all threaded outer barrel, all of them, but you need to buy the adapter, and it's only up in the north. Santa from the north has this. Okay, minimum price lang. Just contact me, I'll give you one. Mabait ka. So that's it. See, you know. There. That's it. There. Okay, you know. And then load the magazine. There you go. Pew pew. We'll have a test fire, okay? So guys, Raven High Kappa 4.3 from outdoorzone.ie. Tanta, thank you. Guys, be good.